and brake valve. The R12 relay valve speeds up the application and release of the rear brakes, ensuring that the front and rear brakes apply simultaneously. The Bendix R14 relay valve is essentially the R12 discussed in Part 2 of this series. The lower half of both valves are interchangeable. The R14 has an additional anti-compounding feature built in. The components for the anti-compounding feature are contained in the cover and consist of a diaphragm and balance port. Anti-compounding, simply defined, means the avoidance of double braking. It prevents the simultaneous application of service brakes and emergency or parking brake.
Yeah. Cleaned out those threads. And there you go. It's just rust holding it together. So that's this line. And this is what we're going to have to get replaced because it's broken in there. So it's no longer as good. So that was this hose. Now I'm gonna just go ahead, probably take off the 2 bolts holding this relay up because this is the last thing, and the only thing that's spinning is this part right here. The size I'll leave in the description, but now that we got all these hoses off, I'm gonna go ahead and get that off. These fittings are very, very like done with pretty much. So you can see here that the brass is like, you know, it's almost like it's one, but this spins. So this broke off right here from up top of the valve. This is the new valve right here. I'll leave the part number to the valve, but this is it. This is what I'm trying to change. So it's gonna go on here. Yep, it's gonna go on here like that, facing this way. And we're gonna plug, these are plug ports right here. Plug it for the ones we're not using. But yeah, this is fun. You are underneath here. So yeah, this is the situation right there. Alrighty, everything's on besides that last bolt and our fitting that broke. Thumbnail's closed, so it'll be on another day.